Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. I'm going to show you how to earn money online legally, how to make passive income from home. I'm going to show you a software that you can use as well. And this is something that you can start doing right after this video. So don't try to skip ahead, because if you try to skip ahead, you won't get everything in order and you might get confused, and then you don't know exactly how it works. And then you're going to say, well, the method didn't work. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. Give yourself some time and just sit through this video. I don't want to make it too long, but of course, I want to go straight into detail. So again, I'm going to show you how to earn money online legally and how to make passive income. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I create videos all the time, so you're going to be the first one to know, and you're going to find the fresh and the newest strategy, so that way you can go out and you can start to crush it right away. So don't delay. And as you can see, I do this full time. This is my beautiful family. I do this full time online. So I've been doing this for 2.5 years, and that's the main reason why I like to share ideas with you, so you can go out there and you could do the same. So if you're looking for something more than just what I'm showing you, feel free to check out the first link in the description. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So what I'm going to be talking about is I'm going to show you how to make passive income. And with this passive income method that I'm going to share with you, you could do this from home. And I'm going to be talking about Kindle. Now, before you get ahead of yourself and you said, well, I've heard about Kindle before, I've tried to publish on Amazon and it just didn't work. I'm going to show you the tool that you can use to create a Kindle if you don't know how to do that, or an ebook as what we will call it. So make sure you stay tuned and watch it all the way to the end. So here, as you can see, here on Amazon, people are selling Kindle prices, ebooks from like $9.99. There's $1.99, $9.49, $3.99, $3.99. So there's multiple different prices. Like over here, people are selling this for like 99 cents. This is $2.99, $4.99. So people, when they put their ebook on Amazon, they're making money over and over again. So that's how you can make passive income consistently just by being at home. Now, of course, if you write your first book, it's not going to take off right away. That's not going to be, okay, I'm going to write one book, boom, it's going to be out there and this book is going to crush it. Yeah, there's people who do that. But if you're someone who's just getting into the space, right, start testing it out, see what works, and you can come up with great ideas and you can publish your first book. You can make money just right out the gate. Now, if you look over here also on eBay, if you look on eBay, people are selling books on eBay as well. Like right down here, there's like 99 cents. There's 99 cents. This one is for 99 cents. This one over here, 99 cents. So if you look through here, most of these books are going for like 99 cents. And this is like herbal. These are like PDF ebooks. So there's like, PDF plus 5 bonuses ebooks. I'm sure there's other prices. You can go like under $8. If you click on here, I'm sure you can probably see more, but let's go with a little bit higher prices, because we don't want to sell a book for 99 cents. No way, Jose. We're not going to be making any huge profits. But of course, if you're getting, thousands and thousands of dollars online in ebook for sales, then yeah, you can start making money. So I think the lowest you should go is anywhere from like $2.99 is the lowest. Don't try to go as low as that. You can go with $4.99 and higher, $9.99, but don't be going too high, right? You want to test the market first, see how it works, start getting some reviews, and start getting people and eyeballs looking at your business. Now, yes, there's a lot of competition here on Amazon. Not gonna lie, there's a lot of competition, but there's still room for improvement. You can still outweigh, you can have people start buying your books off Amazon, same as eBay, right? You can go on eBay as well. eBay is a great place that you can go and you can list your books on eBay and people can start to buy them, because eBay, not too many competition. There's another website that I'm going to share with you as well. It's called People Per Hour. Like people on here will create the ebook for you, and you can go on Amazon and eBay and you could sell them. So either one of these, you could post it on there. These websites get a lot of traffic. So there's tons and tons of people on these particular websites every day looking to read a book. Now, you probably wonder, what can I write about? And even if you don't have ideas, like people per hour, Fiverr, people can write books for you. So you don't have to go find any like PLR products and all those type of things, because guess what? Those things already out there in the market. I don't want you to try to sell those things and then people are going to be like, well, I've read this before. You can get some ideas from it. So if you go on Fiverr, then Fiverr, someone can create an ebook for you where you can pay them, right? Anywhere from like $5 to, let's say, $50 all the way up. So if you look on here, you see ebooks created, there's like 5, there's like 55, there's 50, 225. Like people are creating ebooks for some money here. So you want to make sure that you get your money's worth. But I'm going to share with you the particular website that you could sign up for it. And I'm not an affiliate for this particular website, neither that I'm promoting it. I'm just recommending it to you so that way you can go out there and you could do the same and you could create something and start making money. So immediately after this video, you can go out there and you can start right away. So the good thing about this particular method that I'm sharing with you, that it can be done anywhere, it can be done worldwide. It doesn't matter where. So you can come to people per hour, give them work to do. They can create it for you. You can go to Fiverr if you want. There's another website that you can go where you could do this as well. It's called Upwork. So you can go on Upwork and you can hire somebody and they can create it for you. Now, the beauty about this method, that you can spend a little bit of money and you can make a lot of money. So once you create your ebook, you can make money over and over again. So before I show you the actual tool that you can use to create your ebook, make sure, if you haven't yet, I want you to come down here, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments so far, so that way you can always get the new videos when I come out with them. So if you come on over to this particular website, it's called Designerio. So Designerio, right? As you can see, Designer, that's the word, .io. Once you come over here at Designer.io, you can repurpose your content to reach more people. So you can transform your blog posts, podcasts, videos, PDFs into ebooks. So you can get a video, you can put it on there and you can get started. Now, as you can see right here, there's like a special offer right now. It's like no subscription, and it's a lifetime price. So you can pay like $27 for a lifetime that you can use it over and over again. And let me tell you right now, this is going to change. I'm telling you that this is going to change, because when there's more people on this platform, they're just going to charge for it. That's how these things work. As I said before, I'm not affiliated with them, neither they are paying me for this, but I know that's how it works. Anybody who's going to start is just like Aweber. It's just like when ClickFunnels came out. It's just like everything. You could have paid like one price, and when you pay one price, you can get lifetime access. And of course, they're going to start charging more money, and you're going to have to start paying monthly fees and all that type of stuff. So if you're interested in creating your ebooks and start doing, I would come on here and I would create multiple ebooks over and over again, because it is super easy. You can click on where it says get started. It's very compatible to Mac and everything, right? See, there's going to be like, see that $29, $39, $49, $99. These are what is going to happen. Like this right here, there's a lifetime deal that's going on right now. It's a special offer, $27, no subscription. So if I were you, I would jump on this like right after this video. So you could sign up for this. You can get started right away, and you can start creating your ebook. All right, so you can click on your 7-day trial. You fill out this information right here, do the deal, submit. You collect your payment, start creating your ebooks, putting them on eBay, putting them on here, and that's how you can create, passive income. So you can earn money online legally just by doing that, and you can make passive income from home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching another great video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Again, this is my beautiful family right here. I do this online full time, and I just wanted to share this with you. Now, these methods already done methods like these already. They don't really pay much, but if you check out the first link in the description, and I can tell you right now, I highly recommend that because that's where I started, and that's how I learned online marketing, where I'm able to do things like this, right? Run ads. If you look right here, if you look at one of my campaign that's going right now, right? That's one of my campaign, and that's what I do. That's just a sneak peek of what I do on a day-to-day basis. So thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. And this video is how to earn money legally, how to make passive income. See you on the next one.